Looking your best starts with hair that reflects confidence and personal style. The best hair curler straightener electric hair brushes help create stunning looks that make every day feel special. Whether preparing for an important event or enhancing your daily appearance, finding the right styling solution can elevate self-esteem, inspire compliments, and bring lasting satisfaction to your beauty routine. Number 1.5-in-1 Hair Curlers Set with Curling Brush. 5-in-1 Curling Wand offers various sizes for different curl styles. Add body and texture to the hair. Get confident with different looks every day and shine as your best self. 2-inch-1 Curling Brush and 3-barrel Curlers. The 3-barrel curlers create charming beachy waves, offering a variety of stunning looks. With this all-in-one set, you can save money as there's no need to purchase these items separately. Convenient and safe. Beach Waver Curling Iron features a convenient quick-to-install design, allowing you to effortlessly change the barrel as desired. The handle of the wand is crafted from a heat-resistant rubber material, ensuring a safe and comfortable hair care and constant temperature. The wand curler features advanced tourmaline ceramic technology that safeguards against excessive hair drying after use, leaving your hair moisturized and lustrous. The upgraded PTC heating technology ensures rapid and heats up instantly. 2 Temperature setting. The 5-in-1 curling wand set utilizes PTC and ceramic technology, enabling it to reach its highest temperature in just 30 seconds. Number 2. Heating Curling Comb with Infrared Care PTC Thermal Rotatable Power Cord featuring a 360 degrees rotatable power cord. This brush offers flexibility and convenience during use, reducing tangles and mess. Volumizing and anti-scald features designed for volumizing anti-scald. This professional hot brush protects hair from heat damage while adding volume. Digital Temperature Control. The digital temperature controller allows for precise adjustment, ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 210 degrees Celsius, catering to various hair types and styles. Tourmaline Ceramic Thermal Plate. Equipped with a tourmaline ceramic thermal plate, this curling comb ensures even heat distribution for optimal styling results. Long service life. With a service life of 5,000-10,000 times for the thermal plate bar, this curling comb promises durability and long-term use. Number 3. 5-in-1 Electric Hair Dryer Comb Hair Straightener. Voltage: 110 volts/220 volts. Frequency: 50 to 60 Hz. Power: 1000 watts. There are brushing motor speed: 60,000 revolutions per minute. High-speed DC motor. The wind temperature of 1 gear is about 61-63 degrees. 2 gear is about 96-98 degrees. 3 gear temperature is about 110-120 degree. Number 4.5-in-1 Hair Curler Hot Comb Set. Frequency: 50/60 Hz. 50/60 Hz. Power: 1000 watts. Function: hot, cold air. Voltage: 100 volts 240 V, 110 V US, 220 EU, 230 volts UK, 240 astronomical unit. Switch button. Curly air use. Number 5. Hair Curler Straightener Electric Hair Brushes. Volumizing Brush Curling Iron. 1.5-inch Heated Brush Root Volumizer creates root volume and loose curls with a professional tourmaline ceramic barrel of thermal brush that eliminates static and tame frizz, leaving your hair looking healthy and shiny. The dual voltage 3/4-inch hot curling brush is only 170 grams and 8.7-inch length. It's ideal for travel. Note: it is not a hot air brush. Hair Curler Brush Instant Heating. The brush curling iron has 10 variable heating options, and the temperature can be controlled between 120 C/248 degrees Fahrenheit, 210 C/410 degrees Fahrenheit, which is suitable for long, short, straight, curly, thick or thin hair. You'll also love the extra fast 30-second heat up because PTC technology. You can choose the right temperature according to different hair types to create dreamy hairstyles, which can be used as wig straighteners, hair combs, hair straighteners, and hair curlers.